everyone. So it's no secret that I'm a huge advocate for self-care. And one of my favorite ways to pamper myself is by investing in the highest quality products for your hair and your skin. So today I want to share with you one of my favorite new hair care products, and that's this Spring to Life Oil by Commit Haircare. So this product has lemongrass, which acts as a natural astringent. So if you have like a dry, itchy scalp, this will help clear that up. It has Jamaican Black Castor Oil that's great for length and promotes growth and length retention and also shine. And then aloe for that moisture. That is, I just can use a few drops like this, rub them together and just gloss over the ends of my hair. Do you see that shine? Look at that. Look how shiny this is. I'm obsessed. All right, so the second way that I use this oil, and this way I use on everyone, myself and the kids, is I part the hair at the scalp and apply a few drops of the oil on the scalp and massage it in. Really massage it in. It's something that I do at least twice a week. So if you're looking for that perfect product to promote hair growth or length retention, shine, or even strength, I cannot recommend this oil enough. It is the Spring to Life Hair Oil by Commit Haircare. Definitely check it out for yourself and treat yourself today.